All right, so how to take trades on TradeLocker is very simple. So there are basically two ways. So the first one is you can come down here, look down below, you can see the sell and the buy. Now they have what we call the instant execution one click button, right? For trading. So as you can see, currently price is currently at 2741, right? If I want to buy, all I need to do is to come down here, select the lot size. Let's say I'm doing 0.1, as you can see. Once you're done, you just click on the buy. Okay, so I'm going to check it. If it's your first time, it will have to ask you to approve it. Once you check it, it's going to approve it and it will click on buy. So now you can see I'm in the trade, and then to observe the trade, remember what I told you, simply come down to trades and you can see this is currently my running position. Can you see it in my running position? This is it. Okay, so if it were to be a pending order, it will have been here. Okay, but as of now it's currently running, so that's why it will be under positions. Okay, so this is the first way. So the same way I could also enter a sell, but remember to adjust your lot size, you may want to adjust it from here. Okay, all right, so that's the first one, how to take your trade, how to take your instant one click order. All right, so let's check out the second way to order. So the second way, in fact this is the basic one you should know, is how to close the order. So just the same way you entered, can you see this X? You simply just press the X and it's going to close the position for you. Once you hit the X, it's going to close it. That's another one. So let me just do, maybe if it breaks even, let me close it so that you see. Okay, boom, I've closed the position. Now if you come back to trades and you come to close position, you will see that I have closed a position with this amount. Can you see it? All right, so let's get back. So that's the first one. So now the second way, start by clicking on this arrow. Can you see? Start by clicking on this arrow. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use the signals. So all you have to do, let's go back to the Akash app. You want to take your signal, let me show you. I know a lot of people are already conversant with how it works with MT4 and they are kind of confused. Just hold on, I'm going to show you how it works. So let's say this is your area's signal and you want to take, right? So the entry point is 2734. The stop loss is 2721. So you simply copy just like you will for MT4. Then remember, you have to click on this plus sign. You simply check the take profit button, then come to this price. Can you see? You paste it here. Okay, sorry, that's a stop loss. So you come over here, paste here, you mark everything, delete, or you overhaul it and you paste. Then you come to TP. Let's say I'm doing TP2. You come over here, mark your TP2. Okay, mark or whatever TP, paste it here. Then for your lot size, you come over here and select the lot size you want to trade. Can you see? You can do your 0.10, you can do your 0.05, whatever you want. Once you're good, you go ahead and hit buy. Okay, you go ahead and hit the buy. If you want to sell, you simply swipe here to sell, and then you enter your parameters the same way and you hit the sell. Okay, do you understand? Then if it's a pending order, maybe let's say something like a limit order, let me show you an example. So let's say it's a good. Can you see this is a buy limit order? How to enter your buy limit order is simple. Let me show you. So in buy limit order, you make sure you swipe it to come to pending, swipe it to come to market pending. Can you see currently it's at market, so you swipe it to pending. So let's check, it's a buy pending order, right? So you now, just like in MT4, in pending it will ask for the price, so it asks us to buy at 2729. Then we enter our stop loss, which is 2716. Again, we check this box, then we enter the stop loss there. Then we come back and enter our TP. Let's enter our TP here. Okay, and then you go ahead and hit the buy. Can you see? You go ahead and hit the buy. So observe, it's going to enter it as a limit order. Can you see it entered as a pending limit order? So that's how you simply enter your limit orders. Again, just one thing you just need to know is click on this up arrow. It's going to show you everything. So if you wanted a limit order, you bring it down to pending. If it's an instant execution, which is what we normally use, leave it on market. If you need to sell, you click here. If you want to enter stop loss, you check here and you enter the parameter. If you need to buy, you bring it here. Do you understand? So it's simple. It's very, very simple to use. You just need to understand it and get familiar with it. Okay, so and then like I said, so I showed you the first way of of opening trades, right? Let me show you the second way of closing trades. Sorry. So if you want to also close your trade, all you need to do, let's say we enter a buy. Let me just enter a buy quickly. So let's say we enter a buy. Okay, so let's say I hit a buy here. Okay, so you see I've entered a buy now. So, and I need to close the trade. Another way is you simply come here. So, okay, now can you see that we have a pending limit? Good. To delete, again, just press this arrow, tap on it. Can you see tap on it here? Then click on cancel. For pending order, is going to automatically close immediately. But for positions that are already running, is also the same way. Click on this arrow down, you will see full close. Once you hit it, it's going to close. But if it's for partial, maybe let's say if you entered, now I can't do partial because I only entered with 0.01, but let's say if I entered with maybe up to 0.02, I'll just click on partials. Then it will ask you what lot size you want to close. You enter it, then you go ahead and click on close, and it's going to close. So in this case, you can see how the trade is going. So if you need to close, just simply click here and boom, your trade has been closed. So this is how simple it is to take trades on TradeLocker. I hope you understand this video. I hope it's clear. If you need any other guidance, feel free to drop it in the comment section. But before then, please subscribe to the channel to make YouTube know that okay, I'm doing a good job and so recommend more people. Okay.